Did you know that Iceland is home to about 130 volcanoes? Or that it's one of the few places on Earth where you can witness the mesmerizing northern lights? Or that it was the last place on Earth to be settled by humans? But that's not all. This land of fire and ice has some incredible secrets waiting to be discovered. Today, we're diving into Iceland's best-kept secrets. So, pack your bags and join us on this unforgettable journey. Traveling to Iceland is an experience like no other. From the bustling streets of Reykjavik to the tranquil beauty of the East Fjords, Iceland offers a diverse range of attractions. But before we dive into our top picks, here are a few tips for those traveling to Iceland for the first time. When planning your trip, consider renting a car and driving the famous Ring Road. This route circles the entire island, allowing you to see all the highlights at your own pace, connecting most of the major attractions. This route allows you to see the diverse landscapes of Iceland, from the lush valleys and waterfalls of the south to the barren highlands and fjords of the north. Along the way, you'll encounter charming villages, stunning natural wonders, and plenty of opportunities for adventure. And remember, Iceland's weather can be unpredictable, so pack layers and be prepared for anything. First on our list is Thingvellir National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not only stunningly beautiful, but also steeped in history. It's here that you can walk between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, a unique experience that you won't find anywhere else. Thingvellir is also the site of Iceland's first parliament, established in 930 AD, making it a must-visit for history buffs. The park's rugged landscapes, with its rift valleys, lava fields, and crystal-clear waters, offer countless opportunities for exploration and photography. While you're here, don't miss the opportunity to snorkel or dive in the Silfrafisher, where the water is so clear you can see up to 100 meters underwater. The experience of swimming between two continents in some of the purest water on the planet is something you'll never forget. The Fisher's vibrant underwater landscape, with its striking shades of blue and green, adds an ethereal quality to the adventure, making it a must-do for anyone visiting Thingvellir. Next, let's explore Reykjavik for a day. Reykjavik, Iceland's vibrant capital, is a city full of charm and culture. Start your day with a visit to the iconic 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗁𝒃𝒃 Church, which has an elevator to the top for panoramic views of the city. The church's unique design, inspired by Iceland's basalt landscapes, is a sight to behold both inside and out. Stroll through the colorful streets of Reykjavik, stopping by local shops and cafes. The city's compact size makes it easy to explore on foot, and you'll find plenty of interesting sights along the way. Don't forget to visit the 𝗙𝗂𝗃 Concert Hall and the 𝗏𝗏𝒂𝒃 sculpture, both of which offer fantastic photo opportunities. 𝗙𝗂𝒃's striking glass facade, designed to mimic the basalt columns found in Icelandic nature, reflects the ever-changing light and colors of the sea and sky. Inside, you can catch a performance or simply admire the architecture. The Sun Voyager, a striking steel sculpture that resembles a Viking ship, is a tribute to Iceland's rich maritime history and offers stunning views over the bay, especially at sunset. For those interested in Iceland's history and culture, a visit to the National Museum of Iceland is a must. The museum's exhibits cover everything from the Viking Age to the present day, providing a comprehensive overview of Iceland's fascinating past. The interactive displays and artifacts, including tools, clothing, and household items, offer a glimpse into the daily lives of Icelanders throughout the centuries. Now, let's head to the East Fjords, one of Iceland's best-kept secrets. This region is less frequented by tourists, offering a more serene and authentic Icelandic experience. The East Fjords are known for their dramatic mountains, picturesque fishing villages, and abundant wildlife. Each fjord has its own unique character, and the winding roads that connect them provide breathtaking views at every turn. Take a hike in the Stord area, where you'll find enormous boulders, crystal-clear ponds, and breathtaking views. The landscape here is otherworldly, with moss-covered rocks and vibrant blue pools set against a backdrop of towering peaks. The hike to Stord is challenging but rewarding, offering some of the most spectacular scenery in Iceland. And if you're lucky, you might even spot reindeer roaming the hillsides. The East Fjords are one of the few places in Iceland where you can see these majestic animals in the wild. Keep your eyes peeled as you explore the region, and you might catch a glimpse of a herd grazing on the slopes or crossing a mountain pass. The East Fjords are also home to some charming fishing villages, each with its own unique character and history. Seyðisfjörður, with its colorful wooden houses and vibrant art scene, is a favorite among visitors. The village's picturesque setting, nestled between mountains and sea, makes it a perfect base for exploring the surrounding area. Don't miss the chance to sample some of the local seafood, which is as fresh as it gets. The West Fjords is another hidden gem that you won't want to miss. This remote and rugged region is home to some of Iceland's most dramatic scenery. The West Fjords are known for their steep cliffs, deep fjords, and abundant bird life, making it a paradise for nature lovers. One of the highlights here is the 𝗙𝗙𝗪 waterfall, also known as the Jewel of the West Fjords. 𝗙𝗙𝗪 is a series of waterfalls cascading down a mountainside, creating a spectacular sight. The main waterfall, which fans out like a bridal veil, is over 100 meters tall and can be seen from miles away. A short hike will take you to the base of the falls, where you can feel the power of the water and enjoy the stunning views over the fjord. While in the West Fjords, be sure to visit the 𝗏𝗏𝒽𝒏𝒄𝒃 cliffs, the westernmost point of Europe, which is a paradise for birdwatchers. The cliffs are home to millions of seabirds, including puffins, guillemots, and razorbills. The birds are surprisingly tame, allowing you to get up close for some incredible photos. The views from the top of the cliffs are breathtaking, with the sheer drop to the sea below and the endless expanse of ocean stretching out to the horizon. The West Fjords are also a great place to experience Iceland's rich maritime history. Visit the Hondjotúr Museum, which houses a fascinating collection of artifacts related to fishing and seafaring. The museum's exhibits include old boats, fishing gear, and even a rescue plane that was used in the 1950s. The museum's location, overlooking a fjord, adds to its charm and provides a fitting backdrop for its maritime treasures. The Iceland south coast is famous for its black sand beaches, towering waterfalls, and glaciers. This region is easily accessible from Reykjavik and offers some of Iceland's most iconic sights. Start your journey at Seljalandsfoss, where you can walk behind the waterfall for a unique perspective. The sight and sound of the water cascading down from above is truly mesmerizing, and the views from behind the falls are unforgettable. Continue to Skuggafoss, another impressive waterfall Iceland is known for. Skuggafoss is one of the largest waterfalls in Iceland, with a drop of 60 meters and a width of 25 meters. The powerful spray from the falls often creates rainbows on sunny days, adding to its magic. For the best views, climb the stairs to the top of the falls and look out over the surrounding landscape. Don't forget to visit the Reynisfjara black sand beach with its striking basalt columns and powerful waves. The beach's otherworldly beauty has made it a popular location for films and TV shows, and it's easy to see why. The towering basalt columns, known as Reynistrangar, rise from the sea like ancient sentinels, and the black sand provides a dramatic contrast to the white foam of the waves. Be sure to keep a safe distance from the water, as the waves here can be unpredictable and dangerous. For a splash of color, visit Iceland in late spring to early summer, when the lupine fields are in full bloom. These vibrant purple flowers cover vast areas, creating a breathtaking contrast against the rugged landscape. The lupine in Iceland is not only beautiful, but also helps to prevent soil erosion and improve the soil quality. The best places to see lupines are in the south and west of Iceland, where they blanket the fields and hillsides in a sea of purple. No trip to Iceland would be complete without a visit to one of its many hot springs. The Blue Lagoon is the most famous, but there are plenty of lesser-known hot springs that offer a more tranquil experience. The Blue Lagoon's milky blue waters, surrounded by black lava fields, create a striking contrast that makes for some incredible photos. The lagoon's warm, mineral-rich waters are said to have healing properties, making it a popular spot for relaxation and rejuvenation. For a more authentic hot spring experience, visit the Secret Lagoon in Flúðir. This natural hot spring, located in a small geothermal area, offers a more rustic and less crowded alternative to the Blue Lagoon. The pool is surrounded by steam vents and bubbling hot pots, creating a surreal atmosphere that feels like stepping back in time. Another great option is the Mývatn nature baths in the north of Iceland. These geothermal pools are set in a stunning volcanic landscape with views over the Mývatn area. The waters are rich in minerals and have a soothing effect on the skin, making them perfect for a relaxing soak after a day of exploring. History enthusiasts will appreciate exploring the legacy of Erik Thorvaldsson, better known as Erik the Red. Visit the replica of his farmstead in the West Fjords to learn about the Viking Age and Iceland's early settlers. Erik the Red is one of the most famous figures in Icelandic history, known for his exploration and settlement of Greenland. The replica farmstead provides a fascinating glimpse into the daily life of the Vikings, with its turf-roofed buildings and traditional tools and furnishings. This immersive experience will transport you back in time and give you a glimpse into the life of one of history's most famous explorers. You can learn about the challenges and triumphs of the early settlers, as well as the myths and legends that have been passed down through the generations. The farmstead's location, surrounded by the stunning landscapes of the West Fjords, adds to its authenticity and charm. Iceland is a land of endless beauty and adventure. From the awe-inspiring landscapes of Thingvellir National Park to the hidden gems of the East Fjords and the rich history of Erik Thorvaldsson, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're a nature lover, history buff, or simply looking for a unique travel experience, Iceland has it all. With a little preparation, you'll be ready to make the most of your Icelandic adventure. In conclusion, Iceland is a destination like no other, offering a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. From Reykjavik to the East Fjords, Iceland has something for everyone. We hope this Iceland travel guide has inspired you to discover the many wonders of this incredible country. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out more from Stunning Sightseeing for more travel inspiration. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest adventures. Safe travels and see you in the next video.